I just got a sneak peek at the Insta360 Go Ultra Hello Kitty edition, and honestly, this thing is equal parts adorable and powerful. So first up, this is from Insta360, and it's basically their top-tier wearable 4K camera, but wrapped in a full Hello Kitty makeover. If you're a fan of Hello Kitty and the whole kawaii aesthetic, this might already have you sold. The design is the big story here. Pastel pink action pod, Hello Kitty artwork on the camera, and even custom UI animations when you turn it on. It also connects with the app for themed filters and watermarks, which is a nice touch. You also get a pretty loaded bundle, magnetic mounts, a mini tripod, and even a matching Hello Kitty handbag for storage. But underneath all that cute styling, it's the same serious hardware. 4K at 60 FPS, strong low-light performance, a big sensor, and improved battery life. Now here's the catch. It's a limited Asia-only release, so you'll likely be importing it at a premium, around $530. So my verdict? If you're a collector or hardcore Sanrio fan via Sanrio, it's absolutely worth it. If not, the standard version is the smarter buy.